How to add CName Record in Squarespace. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add CName Record in Squarespace. So first, just head over to any web browser and simply log into a Squarespace account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. You can basically tap on this icon over here to head over to your profile, account, dashboard, or domains. So you can simply tap on your domains. So currently, I do not have any domains registered, so I'll simply head over to my example section to show you from there. As you can see, once you tap on your dashboard, or you just have to head over to your domain from over here. On your domain, if you have your more than one domain, just select any one of them so that we can add a CName record to it. And once you tap on that particular domain, under the left section you will see DNS. So select it and head over to your DNS settings. So once you head over to your DNS settings, just delete any other records if you have previously, or you can just simply tap on this new add a record button over here, which is required to add a new record. As you can see, they have successfully added a new record by simply typing the host name or type name, and you can also change your priority and data such as the site name. So these are the things which are required for the custom DNS settings under the adding record for your name record. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.